On today's episode of MotoCheez.
The following movie is rated I.
What kind are you? You look like a skink. I don't skink. I took a shower this morning. Oh, definitely a skink. That's a beauty right there. What's up, buddy? Can't come up with names for all of you. That's it. Billy don't want to go out on a boat. He don't want to ride the bike. He don't want to go out and eat. I'm going kayaking. That's right. Yep. I'm ready. And I'm 3 miles from the water. So I'm going. I want to take the pontoon boat out one more time, but that takes a little bit more work. I'm going to hit up those channels where I saw that alligator. Maybe I'll see him again. Yeah, I know. They're more scared of us than we are of them. Looks like I got the whole place to myself. That guy just took off on a bicycle. So I got the whole place to myself. Got my waters. I'm not taking my good camera. What's up there, little fella? Anole. Hope we don't get lost. It's been a while. I just saw a tree frog swimming across. Don't know where he went though. Balanced out my load before I shove off. Where'd you go, tree frog? This is where I saw that alligator. Right here is exactly where he was. I was up there. I want to see a manatee. Oh, I think I see a little alligator. I do. I see a baby alligator. That's definitely a baby alligator. That's a lot smaller than the one I saw in here before. The crabs on the shore are crazy. What would I do if he came after me? Well, that one's little. The one I recorded the other day wasn't so little. This guy, I'd just smack him. I see you. Think you're so camouflaged and everything. See him? I think he's all sneaky and stuff. There he went. Could I wrestle an alligator? I don't know. I know one thing, you got to keep their jaws shut. Check out the shore. See them all? See all them crabs? Some of them crabs are pretty big. I got the whole place to myself. Let's see what else we can find around here. see if I can catch these things running, man. It's like the whole ground moves. There's so many of these crabs. There's some. See them? They're like little... I guess they'd be ghost crabs, huh? Oh, no. What are they? Huh, I don't know what they are. They're just chilling. Got crabs. Saw a couple turtle heads popped up before. Another alligator. He's a little one too. As long as I don't see a real big one, be alright. What's up? I wondered where you went. I figured you must have come on the boat, huh? What's going on, buddy? Alright, buddy. You can have a free ride. No problem. Watch out for alligators for me, will you? This is just the way I like it. All by myself. Unless it's with people I know. Not crowded at all. Hey, my little buddy. Watching for alligators. There. That's what you're waiting for. I know it. I know today's episode isn't moto anything. It is boating. It's actually 88 degrees right now. Oh, we got waves crashing against the bow. The sea's getting rough, boys. A little windy. Thought that tree frog was going to hang out with me for a while. I got too close to shore and he got off. Every time I see a stick or a rock sticking up, I think it's an alligator. That better not be an alligator. Nope. It's not. It's a rock. That frog, just like Billy, doesn't want to go boating. Just like Billy, doesn't want to go boating with me. Fine, I'll do it myself. A lot of that rock, coral, whatever that stuff is, limestone. Oh, there's one there. Man, I almost hit it. Gotta watch everything. Oh, look at that, it's a rope swing. I know what some of you were thinking. I wouldn't swim where there's alligators. I would, as long as they're not nearby. It's a cool spot. Very cool spot. I like it. Bunch of crabs. Mr. Krabs. Is that garbage? Yep. Darn. Trying to get it. Cool little rope swing. And it's actually looks like it's kind of deep in there. Good little spot. Let's see what else we can find. Not even a boat out. And that's a channel back there that I was just on. And it's a cool little cove in here too. think I hear a boat. That's not idle speed. A little fast there, buddy. Oh, it wasn't too bad. I want to see a manatee. Hope the wind keeps blowing this way. It'll blow me back to where I gotta go. It's another little pond area. I thought for sure this would loop around to it. I guess I gotta look at. Ooh, fish jump, you see it? Looks like a mullet. Come on, manatees. I know what to do. Here, manatee, 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 manatee. Hey, it worked for the alligator. Here, manatee, 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 manatee. Nothing there. There's another bay of water over there. I don't know how you get to that. That's all by itself. So is that other chunk of water I was looking at. Should we go up on land and pull the boat over to the other side? Yeah, I think we're past it now. I'll do that when I have company. Where them rocks look like alligators sometimes sticking out. Well, you can see how them rocks would put a hole right through a boat, boy. Definitely got to know the waters around here. There's a rope swing. Go upstream a little bit. Thought I saw a bridge up here. There it is. I wonder if this is fresh water or brackish water. This far up. I wonder if it gets the salt. Should I taste it? Fresh water. Just a piece of palm. Yeah, we're getting into civilization, boys. Might as well turn it around. Freaking water bottle. I'm gonna grab that too. The heck is that? Somebody's kid was playing. Anything hiding under there? Ooh, what was that? Hope it was a turtle. Something big and not as fast as a fish. I think it might have been a big turtle. We're back. That was pretty awesome. What the heck is he eating? There must be something in there someone dropped that he's eating. Maybe someone dropped soda. There's my little baby scanner antenna. Oh man, I didn't put a twist. If you don't put a twist, this thing will flap and make a ton of noise. And if you don't know, now you know. Well, that was fun. Should have did that a few more times while I was down here. Now, I'll be down in a few months. I'll do it again. That was weird. Jeep, don't fail me now. I'm eating out tonight. Where should we go, boys? The broil yard? That was good the last time I was there. This might be my last night here. Might stay one more day. Or I just might leave early tomorrow. Skeeter. I'm a Peter. I had the whole place to myself. Except the guy with the bicycle. Love it down here. It's so nice. I don't mind the heat. I really don't mind the heat. You get used to it. I don't mind sweating. I'm half Italian, so I'm gonna sweat anyway. Whoa! Jeez, what the heck is he going to? Maybe I'm just driving really slow. I think that's it. Taking in the nature. Absorbing the nature. Being one with nature. Saw 2 gators though. That was cool. Glad they were little. Hitting up the broil yard, boys. Boil yard. Nah, it's pretty cool. It's a good idea.
Great idea.
Hell yeah.
I'm glad you like it. You like it?
Yeah, did you make it?
We all fucking hey, we all designed this fucking place, buddy.
That's right.
During the COVID.
Nice.
Last year, man, April. Well, it took us 7 months to build this fucker.
That's awesome.
It is
Take it easy. Ah, these look good. Lobster bites. Little small bits. That's in the bottom of the bag. It's alright though. The bigger chunks are on the bottom. It's a good appetizer. Smells pretty good. She talked me into it. Yeah, look at them big shrimp. I'm gonna be full tonight. That's good. Chicken and shrimp carbonara. Carbone, however you say it. It was good. 9 out of 10. Look at that. That's one mighty fine Jeep right there. Why is it blurry though? Huh. What kind of snake are you? What are you, buddy? He gone.
Hey, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We'd love to hear what you have to say. Hit that bell if you want new notifications on new videos. Links for products used are in the description and on MotoCheez.com. Thanks for watching.